How to set up Gemini price alerts. First of all, open the app on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. Next, tap on the notification bell icon located in the top right corner of the screen. Then tap on the settings icon in the top right corner to access alert options. After that, select the custom price alert option and tap on the notification bell icon with the plus button to create a new alert. Now choose the asset for which you want to set a custom alert. For example, Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any other cryptocurrency available on Gemini. Set your desired price level and tap on the Create button to finalize your alert. Once done, Gemini will automatically notify you whenever the selected asset reaches your target price, so you never miss an important market move. Now you know how to set up Gemini price alerts easily. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more trading tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.